Have you ever been stuck with reading boring scientific papers for class? Didn't you just wish that someone could read it for you so you don't have to? Well, fear not, because I made a bot that would do just that. This bot will take your PDF, convert the text into speech, store it inside an MP3 file, and then now you can just passively listen to your scientific papers whenever you want. So take a gander at this boring scientific case study. And in hindsight, the case study is actually not that boring. It's a case of an increased blood flow to the brain due to thiamine treatment. However, pretend this is a very boring scientific paper. So let's save this file into our program directory, and I named it Audio Maker. So let's save it into there, and let's close this out. And we'll make this a little bigger. Okay, so these are the files in the directory. So let's go python3 main.py, and then let's take our Suzuki, so that is our scientific paper, and run the bot. So now it's going to extract the text from the PDF and store it, and now it's storing it into an MP3 file. So right now it is page 1 of 3, and then it's going to go to page 2 of 3 and page 3 of 3. So I'm going to pause, and then I'll come back when this is finished. All right, so now it's done. So let's take a listen to this PDF. So before it was called Suzuki2012.pdf. Now there's another file called Suzuki2012.mp3. So let's take a listen to Suzuki2012.mp3.
$231. The VZV high sensitivity real-time DNA level was 1 yen and 20 sen 104 per milliliter in the CSF. Based on these results, the patient was diagnosed as having...
That's a good 13 seconds of listening to that. All right, so now you can turn your PDFs into MP3 players. But let's say you just want to, if you just want to mess around and convert some text into speech. Well, you can do that by just running the app without any arguments, and it'll ask you to input the text you want to say. So let's say, "Hello, my name is David." Smiley face.
Hello, my name is David, smiley face.
All right, there we go. And let's say that instead of a scientific article, you want to do your own thing. So I created this this boring essay.pdf from Google Drive, and you just export it as a PDF, and you can do the same thing. Let's say you're writing your own story or your essay, and you want to make it into a speech form. Then we can do the same thing. So from 3 main.py, instead of the Suzuki, let's do this boring essay, and I'll get back to you when this is finished. Okay, so let's take a listen to this new file called boringessay.mp3.
This is a really boring essay. I'll admit, it's super boring, but sometimes you just gotta read what you gotta read, and you gotta do what you gotta do. Now I just got to write some stuff to pad the time.
Sometimes. Okay, and that is Audio Maker. It converts your PDFs into MP3s. Super cool and super worth it.